Okay, we're in the vehicle that has Ford Power Ups 2.1 software. Again, this is a early build Mustang Mach-E Select all-wheel drive with the comfort and technology package. This one was built in and around March of 2021. We're going to take a look at Apple CarPlay first here. Alright, Apple CarPlay will look like this when you first start it up. And if you go ahead and hit the expand button here, you'll see that all it does is drop the cards down, but it doesn't actually fill in any of this space. So now jumping over to the newer built Mustang Mach-E Select all-wheel drive that was built at the end of August. When you open up CarPlay, it looks like this. And then when you hit the expand button, it will actually take up the full screen. That's a much nicer look. You get your quick access panel here. You've got your built-in apps here as well. Now let's check out Android Auto. Okay, we're back in build 1, the early build Mustang Mach-E with version 2.1. You can see now I've got Android Auto running. I'm going to go ahead and hit this expand button, and it does the same thing. It fills in the gray area, shrinks the cards, so this now becomes a dead zone. Obviously, that would be suboptimal, right? That's wasted space. Alright, now we're back in the newer build Mustang Mach-E. We've swapped over from Apple Auto to Android Auto, and now watch what happens when you expand. Nothing. So it does work full screen with Apple CarPlay, but Android Auto, which is what I typically run, it's still giving you this dead zone of space. Hopefully they'll open this up, give you a little bit more space. I think that would really look good with the maps, having the map full screen. That would give you more of kind of this feel that you get with the stock navigation.